Hey, how's it going, guys? It's Saad here, and you're gonna learn about GetUTCSeconds. So, one thing though, you need to remember, no matter where we go, the seconds are gonna same. It no how much you do, no matter where you go, it not gonna change the seconds of that place. So, what we need to do is just go there and it's here, it's 30 seconds, and if we do like UTC get UTC seconds, it's gonna say 30. It doesn't matter where we go, the seconds are always the same. So this is what it returns. So hope you guys understand. That's it for today's video, guys. See you guys in the next tutorial.